An EAS alert has been issued to the city of Hurricane Utah. This is not a test. Stay calm and listen for instructions. It has been reported that the animatronics from Freddy Fazbear's Pizza has escaped the restaurant and has been attacking local citizens. We advise you to lock your doors and arm yourself with any weapon possible. These animatronics are very dangerous. Do not attempt to hunt them. Another EAS alert will be issued when these animatronics are captured or destroyed. Once again, this is not a test.